So, greetings everyone. My name is Micaela De Leon and I'm here to present our code that all about ticket booking po. And the first line, import Java out event here. This line imports the Java, which is used to run the application's UI components on the event dispatch thread to ensure that the GUI remains responsive. The import Java Swing, this line imports the Java Swing package which contains various GUI components and classes for building GUI applications. The import Java Swing Border Empty Border, this line imports the Java class which is used to create an empty border around the component such as a panel or the import Java Swing Table default table model. This line imports this class which is used to create and manage the data in table. The import Java out font. This line imports the Java out font class which is used to set the font and font size of various GUI components such as labels and buttons. The import Java out event action event. This line imports the action event class, which is used to handle events such as button clicks or key presses in the application. The input Java out event action listener is which is used to define the actions to be performed when an event occurs such as button click. The input Java component orientation, this line is used to set the orientation of components such as labels and button within a container such as panel or frame. In summary, these lines of code import various classes and packages from the Java out and Java Swings libraries, which are essential for building Geo applications in Java. So, our ticket booking class is a Java program that creates a graphical user interface GUI for selecting events such as concerts, sports, or fair. This class extends the JFrame class which is used to create a window in Swing, a Java library for creating GUI application. The class imports the necessary Swing components, the action event, the action listener to handle and listen to events respectively. Inside the class, several instance variables are declared: the component, the content pane, check concert, check sports, check film, button total cost, and total. The content pane is a panel that serves as the container for other components on the web. The check concert, check sports, and check film variables are checkbox objects used to present the option for selecting concert, sports event, and films. And the bottom total cost variable is a button object used to calculate and display the total cost of the selected events. The total variable is a double data type used to store the calculated total cost. In the constructor of the ticket booking class, the content pane is set as the default content pane of the JFrame, which prevents the window from being resized. The setLayout method is used to set the layout of the content pane to a border layout, which divides the pane into 5 regions: the north, south, east, west, and center. The north region is used to hold the checkboxes for selecting events, while the center region is used to hold the button for displaying the total cost. The south region is used to hold a label that displays the total cost. The construction here also adds the action listener to the button total cost. When the button is clicked, the action perform method of the action listener is called, which is calculated the total cost based on the state of the checkboxes and updates the total variable accordingly. And then finally the window A is set to be visible and the total cost is displayed in the south region in the content. So the set default close operation, the exit and close. It is exit the application when the window is closed. This line sets the default behavior of the window when it is closed. In this case, the application will exit when the window is closed. The set bounds, uh, in set bounds, it set the window position, XY, and size, the width and height. This line sets the position and size of the window. The window will be positioned at 100 on the screen and have a width of 450 pixels and height of 600 pixels. The content pane. This line creates a new instance of the JPanel class, which will be used as a container for other components in the window. The line set content pane, parenthesis content pane, close parenthesis, it set the JPanel as the content pane of the pane. This line is sets the newly created content pane as the default content pane of the JPane, which prevents the window from being resized. So we start here at the check concerts equals new checkbox concert. This line creates a new instance of the checkbox class with the text concert and sets it as the value of the check concert available. The check concert set bounds this line set the position and size of the concert checkbox using the set bounds method. The checkbox will be positioned at 50-50 on the content pane and have a width of 150 pixels and a height of 25 pixels. The content pane add check concert. This line adds the concert checkbox to the content pane, making it visible in the window. So in summary here, these lines of code create a window with a position and size, create a new content pane, set the layout to null, create a checkbox for concerts, set its position and size, and add it to the content pane. So my next explanation is all about the check sports. The check sports that set bounds. This line sets the position and size of the sport checkbox using the set bounds method. The checkbox will be positioned at 50 and 100 on the content pane and have a width of 150 pixels and a height of 25 pixels. The next line, the content pane that add check sports. This line adds the support checkbox to the content pane and making it visible. Next is the check film. Check film equals new checkbox film. This line creates a new instance of the checkbox class with the text film and set it as the value of the check film variable. The check film set bounds. It adds the film checkbox to the content pane. This line adds the film checkbox to the content pane and making it visible in the window. The content pane adds check film. It adds the film checkbox to the content pane. And the button total cost equals new button show total cost. This line creates a new instance of the JButton class with the text show total cost and set it as the value of the button total cost variable. And in the button total cost, we add here action listener. Add an action listener to the total button. Property. In button of total cost, we add action listener. This is to show ate nag-video mo. In button total cost, we add an action listener. The public void action performed action event. It is defined action to perform when the button is clicked. And we also add the J option pane to show message dialog. Like the total cost is and the price. It is show a message dialog in the total cost. And the summary of this block of code adds an action listener to the total cost button. When the button is clicked, the action perform method is called, which displays a message dialog showing the total cost. Also, the summary, this line of code is, if the sport or film checkbox is selected, and if so, assume that the corresponding frames, sports game, exit exist, create a new instant of the frame class and set its visibility to true, making the frame visible on the screen. If none of the checkboxes are selected, it shows a message dialog prompting the user to select an event. Thank you.
The sports game class. 3 radio button and 1 button. The use of radio button is the user can choose a sports he or she wants. After picking, click the confirm button to proceed to the sports class.
My name is Arnel Jan Gonzalez and this time I will discuss about the movie class JFrame. So first of all, this Java code defines a movie class that extends JFrame to create a GUI for selecting a movie. This window includes 3 radio buttons for John Wick, Barbie, and Titanic. It allows the user to choose one of these movies and a button group ensures that only one radio button can be selected at a time. When a radio button is selected, a change listener updates the static movie variable with the selected movie's name. The confirm button, when clicked, checks if any movie has been selected. If a selection is made, it opens a new film frame. Otherwise, it shows a message prompting the user to select a movie.
The artist class have 3 radio button and 1 button. The use of radio button is so the user can pick the artist he or she wants. After picking, click the confirm button to proceed to the concert class.
This code represents a basic concert ticket booking system built with Java Swing. It allows users to select seats and see the corresponding total cost. Here's a breakdown of the functionalities. The components. The code defines a class name concert that extends JFrame to create the graphical user interface or GUI for the booking system. The GUI has several toggle buttons representing different seat types such as VIP, Patron, General, Admission, with numbers indicating seat position VIP 1, Gen Ad 3. Initially, these buttons are disabled. There are also labels or JLabel to display information like concert and potentially the artist. Name fetched from another class, artist. J buttons are used for functionalities like stage, which seems to be disabled in this code, and potentially a confirmation button. A J, a J spinner allows users to choose the number of tickets they want to book between 1, 1 and 15. Seat selection and cost. Clicking a J toggle button for seat type and position toggles its selection to on and off. When a seat is selected, the change listener associated with the button updates the avail seat variable, number of selected seats, and total cost total price based on seat type and quantity. The code keeps track of individual seat selection using Boolean variables like BIP1, Gen2, etc. to ensure accurate cost calculation. Overall, this code provides a starting point for a concert ticketing booking system. It demonstrates how to use Swing components to create a user interface for seat selection and cost calculation.
This code is part of JavaSwing application for booking concert tickets. It involves a user interface that allows user to select different type of seats, which is VIP, Patron, and General Admission. Confirm their selection and reset their choices. The spinner's text field is made non-editable but remains enabled. Allow it to display value without user modification. Labels are created to display the prices of different types of tickets. For the confirm button, this button is initially disabled and will be enabled once the user make a valid selection. It checks if the number of selected tickets matches the required number which or the ticket number and then confirms the booking. For the reset button, this button reset all seat selection and re-enable the spinner's text field. For the toggle buttons are created for each seat type. Initially, they are disabled and will be enabled upon confirmation. Each button has changed listener to update the number of available seats and total cost based on its selection state. For main confirmation button, this button is enable all seat selection buttons and disable the spinner's text field when pressed. For the action listener, confirm button listener. This listener verifies if the number of selected seats matches the required number and the show confirmation dialog. If confirmed, it adds selection to a table and show a confirmation message. For reset button listener, this listener resets all selection and re-enables the spinner's text field. Seat selection toggle button listener. Each toggle button has a listener to update the seat selection status and cost when toggled. Update toggle button. This method is initialize the toggle button array. Reset all selection. This method reset all seat selection encounters. Add to table. This method add the selected seats and their cost to the table model.
This import statement bring in necessary classes from the Java Swing library and other package for the building the GUI. Handling events and setting up fonts. Film extend JFrame, meaning it inherits properties and method from JFrame to create a window for the GUI. These variables are used to manage the different components of the GUI and to keep track of the state they set up the frame. Set default close operation specifies what happens when the window is closed. Set bounds, set the size and position. The content pane is initialized and set as the main panel with a border and null layout. This snippet creates a toggle button for GenAdd1 and adds a change listener to it. The listener update the state seat count and total cost based on the button selection state. The button is then positioned and added to content pane similar. Code is repeated for the other button, BTN BIP1, BTN Path Seat 1, BTN BIP2, BTN Path Seat 2, BTN Gen Seat 2, BTN Gen Seat 3, BTN BIP3, BTN Path Seat 3. Each button has its own price and state handling and an interactive button label. Stage is added to the content pane likely as a visual indicator. A JSpinner is created to select the number of ticket 1 to 15. A change listener update the ticket number and call update toggle buttons. Assume to be a method handling enabling disabling button based on available tickets.
Disabling spinner's text field. This code disables the text field of spinner, likely to prevent user from directly inputting values into the spinner. Labels for ticket prices. These sections add J-labels to display the ticket prices for different categories: VIP, Patron, General Admission. Confirm button for booking. It initializes a confirm J button for finalizing the booking. When clicked, checks if the number of selected tickets matches the available seats. If not, it displays a message indicating that requirements were not met. Otherwise, it asks for confirmation before moving. Reset all button. Another J button is initialized for resetting all selections. When clicked, it resets all selections, enable the spinner text field, and disable seat selection button and the confirm button. Toggle buttons for seat selections. Toggle buttons are initialized for selecting seats. Each button corresponds to a specific seat, and when clicked, it updates the total cost and available seats based on the selections. Update toggle button method. This method updates the state of toggle buttons. Reset all selections method. It resets all seat selections, sets the available seats and total cost to zero, and updates the toggle buttons state. And the last is add to table method. This method adds selected seats and their individual cost to a table model, presumably for disabling the booking information.
Let's tackle about sports. So this code defines sport class that extend JFrame to create a GUI for selecting sports event seat. The interface includes several JToggle button components representing different seat type. Each button has associated price, and when selected or deselected, the total cost and number of available seats are updated. For instance, if a general admission seat button is selected, the change listener checks if it was previously selected. If not, in increment, the available seat count and the adds set cost to total cost and total sports. If it was already selected, it decrements the seat count and subtract the cost. The same logic applies to other buttons representing different seat type, but with varying costs. The bottom are initially disabled, as indicated by seat enabled pulse. Their state change are managed by changes listener implementation, ensuring the available seat, total cost, and total sports variables accurately reflect the current selection. Each set type has unique logic for updating the seat availability to total cost. The state of their buttons are managed using Boolean flags to track whether a set has already been selected or not. This ensures that the cost and seat count adjustment are accurate.
Dangal greetings everyone, my name is Cheryl Ann B14 and now I will explain all of this code. This code creates a simple user interface between a button, a numerical spinner, and several labels. The button label stage is initially disabled. A J spinner is configured to allow number selection between 1 and 15, and a change listener that updates a variable and calls a method to passively update other user interface elements. The spinner's editor is enabled but not editable, meaning user can change its value only through the spinner controls. Additionally, the code includes several labels that display the prices of different ticket types, the VIP, Patron, and General Admission. There are two buttons below, the Confirm button and Reset All button. The Confirm button, this button is labeled Confirm and initially disabled. When clicked, it triggers an action that checks if the number of tickets selected match the available seats. If not, it displays a message indicating the mismatch. If the number match, it prompts the user with a confirmation dialog displaying the total ticket cost and asking for confirmation. Depending on the user response, it either add the selected seats to a table model and confirm the booking or cancel the booking. And the other button is Reset All button. This button label Reset All is also initially disabled. When clicked, it triggers an action that reset all seat selection, enable the set field editor, and disable all seat selection button and itself. This action effectively reset the entire set booking process, allowing user to start over. This code creates and configures several JTangle button components for general admission seats, each initial disabled. All buttons have change listener that adjust seat availability and cost variables. Additionally, the code set up a sports label and a confirm button. When the confirm button is pressed, it disables certain components like the text field editor and enables all seat buttons and the other button allowing further interaction. Add to table. This method iterates through the buttons array and check if any buttons are selected. For each selected button, it determines the cost of the seat based on its type, VIP, patron, or general admission, and adds a row to a table model containing information about the sports event, the seat label, and the seat cost. This method helps maintain an updated table displaying selected seat information in the user interface.